To change always on display theme on Moto G86 5G, we got two options. The first one, you have to start by opening settings. Now you will have to go for home and the lock screen settings, and over here go to the lock screen. Now you have to go for display options and unselect this one, show clock face. Now take a look. If I'm gonna actually lock my screen, there's the always on display. That actually looks like my clock on the lock screen, but if I'm gonna actually get rid of that, I'll get different look. Now we are tapping and the clock is smaller. And for sure you can change the style of your always on display by changing style of your lock screen clock. So we have to go to the customize lock screen, and now if I'm gonna change this one, for example, into this one, and now if I'm gonna go back and apply those changes, I'm gonna lock the screen, click on the screen, and as you can see, the clock style has changed.